What's going on, everybody? As you know, I've been pressure washing my driveway slash parking pad here, and still got this section left to do up here. And I've basically narrowed down the solution I use to half and half of outdoor bleach, regular simple green. It's probably about a 50-50 mix of these two, and then this blended about 50% with just regular water. But to put it out there before pressure washing, I'm using this really nifty Ryobi foaming attachment. You can get this at Home Depot. It works really well, and a much better job than you could ever do with a garden sprayer or a pump sprayer, especially a trigger sprayer. This thing will spray out there the solution, and you can just let that soak in, for however long you need to. This thing really does the job, and I'll show you how quickly this spreads out my solution that I'll let soak in. Alright, all we do is take the attachment, pull the collar back on your extension on your pressure washer, make sure you push this on fully, make sure it can't come off, of course. I put it in about the middle setting. You can go all the way off or all the way on. I put it about middle. Turn your pressure washer on. Turn that bad boy on and go to town. Then we'll just refill it with a little bit more, and I'll just get all this soaked in really well. And I'm going to let it soak for maybe an hour, maybe even more. There's no sun out and it's almost evening, so I'm going to let this soak in for a very long time because it's been a couple of years since I've done this to this driveway. But this little guy here is the trick for spreading out any kind of cleaner or soap. You could even do pesticides with this, fertilizers, lawn food, you name it. You could use this thing for just about anything, and really impressed with it so far. So we'll do the rest of it and let it soak in. Our final step here, we're going to pressure wash the walkway, and compared to what I've already done back there, this should be a snap, quite honestly, by comparison. I've already soaked it down and let it soak overnight with simple green and outdoor bleach, and next is to give it a blast. So we're going to put it in fast motion, and y'all check it out. All right, all there is left to do is soak it down one more time with my simple green and bleach solution. Let that soak in. You know, I could rinse it off, or the rain will rinse it off. And then it's time to do the decking up here. I already did this first step, but you can see definitely needs it as well. So probably do that over the weekend. I've had enough of pressure washing for a few days, so we will knock that out later on this weekend. Make sure you check out our other videos. I do a little review on this really nifty 2200 psi electric pressure washer. I also do a comparison of several cleaning solutions, including simple green and outdoor bleach, and a couple of specialty liquids as well, comparing all of them to see which one really does the best, especially for the money. But thoroughly pleased with this, because this had been at least 2 years needing a washing, and we got it done. Very happy about that. Anywho, y'all have a good evening, and we'll see y'all later.